Welcome back to Top Repairs. How do you know you got a bad transfer case and it's time to replace it? What I have here is a transfer case, and transfer case is normally found on vehicles equipped with four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Now, this is how a transfer case works. The transfer case, it is going to receive power straight from the transmission, straight to the input shaft, and it is going to send power out to the axle, out through the output shaft, which is going to be here and here. Here is a close-up view of the transfer case. On the inside of the transfer case, it is going to contain the clutch assembly. It is going to contain the clutch lever. Again, this part here is the input shaft. This part here is the output shaft. And this part here is where it connects to the axle. And this part here where it connects to the drive shaft or propeller shaft, or some people call it the prop shaft. And on the inside is going to contain the drive chain, and you're going to have gears on the inside. And some transfer case, it is going to contain the transfer case motor. What causes the transfer case to fail prematurely? And the first and most common reason is it is going to be caused by leak. If you see a puddle of fluid on the bottom end of the transfer case, it means that the transfer case is leaking somewhere. So you want to check for fluid leak right at the gasket area on this part over here. You want to check for fluid leak right at the fill plug area. You want to check for leak right at the drain plug area. You want to check for fluid leak right at the seal area, right at the output shaft area. And you want to check for fluid leak right at the input shaft area. And of course, you want to check the transfer case all around and make sure it is not cracked. The next reason why a transfer case is failing is going to be caused by either the chain is broken, or it is stretched, or there's bad gears on the inside. When the chain is stretched, or it is bad, or it is broken, or the gears are bad, or it is stripped, you're going to notice some sort of noise. You're going to notice humming noise. You're going to notice grinding noise. You're going to notice that the transfer case may not shift at all. And also you're going to notice that the four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive will stop working. Also, when the transfer case is failing, you might notice that the vehicle might jerk, or it might shudder as well. If you notice the vehicle is shuddering or it is jerking, one thing I recommend doing is a drain and refill. So what you want to do is you want to drain the transfer case fluid, and you want to replace it with brand new fluid. And in most cases, that might actually fix the shuddering and jerkiness that you're going to feel on the vehicle. And of course, I also suggest looking at the old fluid. If you see metallic particles inside the fluid, it could be a sign that the gears or the chains are worn out. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching, and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.